Is there any constant symptom that can be seen in the patient of multiple sclerosis? The answer is no, because in this condition, at a multiple time, the multiple sites are affected. For example, if the patient has affected first time, then it can affect the corpus callosum of the brain. Second time, it can affect the optic nerve. Third time, it can affect the cerebellum. So according to the site of the lesion, the symptom changes. So there is no constant sign, no constant symptom in the patient of MS, multiple sclerosis. For example, if you take the patient of GBS syndrome, then there is a constant sign or symptom, that is increase in paralysis that occurs in the ascending order. That is a fixed sign. But in the patient of the multiple sclerosis, there is no constant sign fixed, because at a multiple time the multiple sites are affected. It can be corpus callosum, it can be the brain stem, or it can be the cerebellum, or it can optic nerve, or it can be the spinal cord. But remember, in the spinal cord, the sensory part is more affected than compared to the motor part. Okay, thank you.